mamaya.
Look at that, I have a bucket.
Ay, mali ang aking ano. Pa-entry ko ulit mamaya. Ayan. Ay, maghatid lang ako sa akin, chikiting. Chikiting. Just skip the toilets. Ines!
Everyone don't like you because
I just, ano bang pronoun sa pangalan mo? She. Sit on my car, oh. I can't don't distract mommy. She. Ayan. Kumusta na? Anong gawa mo dyan? Hindi ka nagparamdam umuwi ka dito sa Pilipinas. Ayan. Nagbagyo ka kaagad. Arigato. Gozaimasu, my friend. Arigato.
Ate Ina has a long hair.
I don't know. She
Yes.
has a long hair. Oh, tell me a story. Tell mommy a story. Do you know any stories? Tell you, my viewers, they want to hear your stories. Come on.
Once upon a time,
Once upon a time.
has a skippy toilet toy, and she sweep and she wake up and it's gone, and she go to another world and she saw her potty skippy toilet and she
Who's that, skibidi
And
toilet?
and
Who's she skibidi toilet?
when she go to another world of the back room, she saw her real skippy toilet here,
Super
and
Primo.
she run and she chase her. The end.
They chase her in the end? That's all? What happened to that girl? She
And
put
she
it in the jail? She eat it? Or they killed it? Or what happened?
They and what happened and they eat her, and
They eat her. The skibidi toilet is full now. Because he's an eater. He's eater. Shoutout sa nandyan, Super Primo. Thumbs love, salamat. Pagpa-entry na guys na nakapin para sa Saturday. May parapol tayo sa Saturday. Ayan, salamat sa nandyan guys. 12 million in the house. Thank you so much. Mamaya pagdating ko sa bahay, magpapa-entry ulit tayo. Diba? Thank you guys sa nandyan. Oh no. Skibidi toilet, skibidi toilet. Tell them if you grow up, what will you become?
I'll become healthy and nice.
Wow, you didn't have any plan
And
for
I
your
will be
future?
sexy.
Wow, you will be sexy.
I like it because I like it.
Ouch, mommy is not sexy. Why mommy is not sexy?
When I'm 18 years old, I will be sexy because I like it. Because I like to be a little thing.
Kaya pala sabi niya.
Like Hannah.
Kaya pala sabi niya, Mommy, I don't want to eat many because I want to become thin. You are not fat. Salamat sa nandyan. You are not fat.
I'm a little thin.
You are not thin. You are not fat. You're just in the middle. Miss Aiza! Salamat sa Sikoy. Maghahatid na naman ako sa aking kulit. Guys, pa-entry for Saturday sa aking nakapin, sa aking premiere mamaya. Pa-entry.
One day, my baby, I have a big head.
No, you're not. Your head is not big. Who told you that?
I have a fat cheeks here right there.
You have a fat cheek, but your head is not big. Sniper, shout out. Chi, hello, shout out. Dala.
When I'm a baby,
Sit down,
when I months what I look like.
You look like a cute. You are a cute siopaw.
What is siopaw?
The big bread, white buns and big
And big head.
I said you don't have a big head. You have a big face like that.
And when you do that like that, and I
Well, mag-aral ka Tagalog today.
no, I don't know.
Tagalog, sige.
I don't know.
Say, magandang umaga.
Good morning.
Ay, just follow mommy. Mababagsak ka. You're going to fail
I
at
don't
school.
know.
Oh, you say, Ma?
I don't
Ma?